you so much for watching. Jack. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every week with my dog Jack. This is Jack. You will be seeing him in all of my videos. He is a great little helper. He's super sweet. It is finally October, which is my favorite month of the whole year. I love Halloween. I love to dress up every day, so Halloween is just super fun. And so I'm going to be showing you guys Halloween themed videos all October. So I am super excited. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome Sully costume from Monsters Inc. I'm going to show you how I did these horns and how I did the costume. It's really easy. There's no sewing required. It was really fun to make. It's just something that you can make last minute for a Halloween costume. So it doesn't take that long to do. The materials are really cheap. So you won't have to spend a lot of money on a costume if you're wanting to just put something together that's super quick and fun and easy. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this costume, I got half a yard of purple fur from Joann, felt fabric, and it was like 49 cents. I got these ears from Dollar Tree, and I got the dress from Goodwill, but you can use a blue t-shirt or a dress, it doesn't matter. You will also need fabric scissors and fabric glue. The first thing I'm going to do is start cutting out all of the fur spots for the costume, and you can just cut them however you like, how big or small. So you'll just go ahead and cut as many as you need. Now I'm going to put my fabric glue on the back of the fur spots that I cut out. Now place it on your t-shirt or dress. After you've put as many as you want on the front, let it dry and then go ahead and move to the back of the dress or the t-shirt. So now it is time to move on to the horns, and I really hate to cut these because they are so pretty and I love the color, but I really want to stay true to Sully. So what I'm going to do is take my fabric glue from earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these horns a little bit shorter because they're not quite the size and length of this. So you'll just cut the desired length, and then after you cut that, you're going to cut out the felt fabric for whatever size you need it to be, and then you will just glue it onto the horns. So now what I'm doing is I am pinning the horns to my felt because it's just going to be a lot easier for me to cut the desired width and length of it. It's going to match perfectly. So I'll just cut around and then I will glue it on. And you're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you decide to make this costume. It is so fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much.